Hi friends. Today we're going to learn how to divide fractions. Ready? Let's go. Dividing fractions is simple once you know the trick. Rule 1. Flip the second fraction. Take its reciprocal. Rule 2. Multiply the first fraction by the flipped fraction. Let's do an example together to see it in action. We'll start with an example. Divide 1/2 by 3/4. Flip the second fraction. 3/4 becomes 4/3. Now multiply. 1/2 times 4/3 equals 4/6. Simplify the fraction. 4/6 becomes 2/3. Awesome! Let's try another one to make sure we've got it. Now divide 2/3 by 3/5. Flip the second fraction. 3/5 becomes 5/3. Multiply the fractions. 2/3 times 5/3 equals 10/9. So our final answer is 10/9. Remember, flip the second fraction and multiply. Great! Let's see if you can solve a few yourself. Now it's your turn to divide some fractions. First one. Divide 3/4 by 1/2. What's your answer? Take a few seconds to solve it. The answer is 3/2. Great work! Let's try one more together. Next, divide 2/5 by 5/8. Ready? Try it yourself. The answer is 16/25. Fantastic! You're really getting it. Let's wrap it up with a quick recap. Step 1. Flip the second fraction to find its reciprocal. Step 2. Multiply the first fraction by the flipped fraction. That's it. You've mastered dividing fractions. Well done. Great job today. Thanks for learning with Bright Stack. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can join us for more fun math adventures. See you next time.